new lesson, the world of plants. The world of plants. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about types of plants, uses of plants, flowers and its parts, and uses of flowers. These are the subtopics we are going to learn in this class. So let's start our class. Yeah. So children, if you observe around you, there are number of trees. Right? There are number of different types of trees around you, right? So today we are going to learn about plants, right? Okay, focus on that. So we will talk about parts of plants, okay, in this lesson. Parts of plants, types of roots and their functions. Types of roots and their functions, flower, florist, and about people living in the forest. So these are the subtopics we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, see first, see here how beautiful it is. Who are those? Who are those? Who are those people? Mention it. Yeah, mention in the chat box, communicate in chat box. Okay, right, right. See, we see many trees and other plants in the parks and by the roadside. So if you observe around you, there are number of variety of trees near you, okay, so around you, right? And if you observe any park, okay, if you went any park, if you observe, there are number of different types of plants will be, right? And so now our government uh, scheme Harita Haram. So if you observe the roadside, there are number of different plants, right, growing. So about plants. So what do you know about plants?
Good morning, sir.
Very very good morning, everyone. Very very good morning. Okay, thank you. So we see many trees and other plants in the park by the roadside. So what are the uses of plants? One by one, I will ask. Okay. Next, Shivateja, what are the uses of plants? At least you need to say one use.
The plants give shade and the fresh air.
Okay, thank you. Next, Manogna.
The plants give us on oxygen
Hmm.
and food.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Next, Niharika.
And good nature.
Yeah, thank you.
Our
Niharika.
plants give us fruits and vegetables.
Okay,
The plants gives us fruits and vegetables.
thank you. Thank you, Niharika. Next, Pravalika. What are the uses of plants? At least one use.
Sir, uses of plants. There will be some flowers we will keep to God and in our head.
Okay, right. Thank you. Next, Sahiti.
The trees give us oxygen and fresh air.
Thank you. Next, Avinash Gaur.
Sir,
Avinash, what are the uses of plants? Avinash Gaud, what are the uses of plants? Okay. Pranay,
Sir,
yeah, what are the uses of plants?
plants give our oxygen and they take carbon dioxide. They give food,
Okay,
vegetables, fruits, and
very good. Thank you, Pranay. Next, Pa- Vedanta.
Plants give us shade
Hmm. Okay.
and oxygen
Hmm.
and food.
Okay, very good. Next, Ganesh. Any other?
sir, can I tell?
No, no. Ganesh, carry on.
Sir, sometimes we should cut trees, we should build house.
I did not get your pen. Could you repeat it?
Sir, we should cut trees, we should build houses.
We can get wood. Wood from? Plants. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Next, we made furniture, different furniture by that wood. Okay, next. Mm, Nanda Kishore.
Sir,
Yeah, what are the uses of plants?
sir, they give shade and
Okay,
air fresh, cool, and add beautiful to our surroundings.
thank you. Very good. Next, Karthik.
Sir,
Hmm.
they give shadow
Okay,
and giving fresh air, and they will give us oxygen, and they take.
okay. Thank you, Karthik. Tanmay Darshan.
Sir,
Yeah,
plants
what are the plants?
give us fruits, vegetables, and they will take oxygen. They can give shade and air.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Tanmay Darshan. See, if you observe, so there are many uses, right? So, what are that? So, plants give shade and keep the air fresh and cool. Keep the air fresh and cool. And they add beauty to our surroundings. Plants add beauty to our surroundings with different colored leaves, flowers, and different shape it is, right? So it add beauty to our surroundings and it give shelter to many animals. It gives shelter to many animals like birds, okay, squirrel, monkeys. So plants give shelter to many animal and we get wood. From that wood we can prepare furniture, right? And any other fruits, we get fruits and vegetables and we get medicines from the plants, right? We get different types of medicine from plants. So that's how. So plants help us in many ways. Okay, plants help us in many. Okay. So, plants are the public property and do not belong to any one person or family. See, plants are it is a public property. It is for overall members, right? All members, not only for only one member. Okay. So it is for all members. It is a public property, not a personal property. అంటే ఇది నా సొంతం కాదు. ప్లాన్స్ అనేటివి అందరికీ సంబంధించినవి. అవునా కాదా? Right. So the municipal corporation or municipal committee plants their sapling and water them. Yes, the municipal corporation. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. So, municipal corporation. What is municipal corporation? See, if you observe in our Bichkunda, there is a Gram Panchayati. Don't you know Grama Panchayati? So, Gram Panchayati take care about
Yes, sir.
how
No.
development of the village, right? It will take care about development of village, cleanness, okay, cleaning of our village. So this is how. So municipal corporation and municipal committees in cities or towns, it will work. Municipal commit corporation or municipal committees work to develop the town or city. But in villages, Gram Panchayati take care about our village, okay, how to be developed, how to it be clean, okay, it will take care about that things, okay. And the municipal corporation and municipal committees plants their saplings and water them and protect with the metal cages or tree guards. So if you observe the plants protected by tree guards, green color lo untai tree guards, don't you know tree guards? ట్రీగా ప్లాస్టిక్ తోటి చుట్టూరుగా కప్పుతారు అవునా దాన్ని అంటే మేకలు కానీ లేకపోతే
Yes, sir.
ఏదైనా కానీ తినకుండా చుట్టూరుగా ఒక జాలి ఉంటది అవునా ఆ జాలితోని కవర్ చేస్తారు రైట్
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ఎస్
sir. I saw.
Yeah, thank you very much. So the municipal corporation plants their saplings, water them, and protect them with metal cages or tree gourds. అంటే ఏం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళే మొక్కలు నాటుతారు వాటర్ రోజు పోస్తారు వాటర్ ట్యాంకర్స్ తోటి అండ్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ దెమ్ విత్ మెటల్ కేజెస్ ఆర్ ట్రీ గార్డ్స్. అంటే వాటిని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా? ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తారు? విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ట్రీ గార్డ్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ చిల్డ్రన్, observe the picture. This is how they will protect the plants. Okay, tree guards, right? Tree guards. So they will protect the plants with the help of tree guards. Okay, this is how. See, these are the metal guards or tree guards. So have you ever noticed that all plants have basic similar structure? అంటే అన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ కి ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుందా? ఉండదా? Okay. Does all plants have leaves? Does all plants have leaves or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So all plants have basic similar structures. Okay. See, for example, there are different plants, right? So they all plants have some structure. How it is? Let's minute. Okay, thank you. So, what is the structure? Okay. See, now we are going to learn about parts of plants. Parts of, okay. See here. So, the parts of plants that grow above the soil is known as shoot system. Okay. అంటే ఏ పార్ట్స్ అయితే భూమి కంటే పైన పెరుగుతాయో ఆ పార్ట్స్ ఏమంటారు? షూట్ సిస్టమ్. ద పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లాంట్ దట్ గ్రో above the soil, the part of the plant that grow above the soil is known as shoot system. అంటే మట్టి, ఇప్పుడు మట్టిలో కొంచెం భాగం ఉంటుంది మొక్క, మట్టి పైన కొంత భాగం ఉంటుంది. అవునా కాదా? ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లాంట్ దట్ గ్రో అబౌవ్ ద సాయిల్ అంటే మట్టికి పైన పెరిగే పార్ట్ని ఏమంటారు? షూట్ సిస్టమ్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? అంటే వాట్ ఆర్ ఇన్ షూట్ సిస్టమ్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద పార్ట్స్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్? సో ఇన్ షూట్ సిస్టమ్ stem, leaves, branches, fruits and flowers. These are the plants contain shoot system. అంటే the part of the plant which grow above the soil. Above the soil లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? The part of the plant which above the soil, fruit, leaves, stem, flower, and these all parts grow above the soil, right? These all parts grow above the soil. So these all parts called shoot system. Okay, the part of the plant that grows above the soil is known as shoot system. So what are the parts in shoot system? Stem, leaves, branches, fruits and flowers. So if you observe here, see, it is a soil, right? So follow my cursor, children. It is a soil. So this is the part which grow above the soil, right? The part of the plant which grow above the soil. So that part is called shoot system. It includes stem, leaves, branches, fruits, flowers. Okay, see here. It is the shoot system. Okay, the part of the plant which grow above the soil. See, from here to here. The part of the plant which grow above the soil. అంటే భూమి పైన, మట్టి పైన. ఓకేనా? The part of the plant which grow above the soil, and that part is known as shoot system. So shoot system contain many parts. Shoot system contain many parts. What are those? Stem. See, this is the stem, right? Follow my cursor. This is the stem. And next, leaves, green colored leaves, right? Next, flowers, right? Flowers, branches and fruits. So these are the parts which contain shoot system. Okay, what is shoot system here? The part of the plant which grow above the soil. The part of the plant which grow above the soil. So that part is called shoot system. So shoot system contain bird అంటే మొక్క, birds మొగ్గలు. branches అంటే కొమ్మలు. stem is nothing but stem. Next, leaves, right? Leaves and fruits. Shoot system contain these all parts. Okay, the part of the plant that grow below the soil. Below the soil ante భూమి లోపల పెరిగే పార్ట్. ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లాంట్ that grows below the soil is called root system. So which part contain, so it's in soil, roots, right? So that's why it is root system, the part of the plant that grows below the soil. Below the soil, which part contain roots, right? So that's what it is, a root system, the parts of the plant which grows below the soil is called root system. Is it clear, children? The part of the plant which grows below the soil is called root system. అంటే భూమి లోపల పెరిగే పార్ట్ని ఏమంటారు? రూట్ సిస్టమ్ అంటారు. రూట్ సిస్టమ్. సో రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ద ప్లాంట్స్ బికాస్ దే ఫిక్స్ ద ప్లాంట్ టు ద గ్రౌండ్. వై రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, కొన్నిసార్లు బాగా వర్షం పడ్డది అనుకోండి, గాలి వచ్చి ఏమైపోతుంది, చెట్లు కింద పడిపోతాయి, అవునా కాదా? ఎందుకంటే ఆ రూట్స్ కి రూట్స్ అప్పుడు తట్టుకోలేకపోయాయి, అవునా? అంటే రూట్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి, భూమిని పట్టుకొని ఉంచుతాయి. మనం గట్టిగా నూకితే పడతాయా? చెట్లు పడవు కదా. ఎందుకు పడిపోవు అంటే రూట్స్ పట్టుకుంటాయి సాయిల్ తోటి గట్టిగా, అందుకే చెట్లు పడిపోవు. అర్థమైందా? సో రూట్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ద ప్లాంట్స్ బికాస్ దే ఫిక్స్ ద ప్లాంట్ టు ద గ్రౌండ్. అంటే భూమికి అంటు పెట్టుకోవడానికి, గట్టిగా ఉండడానికి రూట్స్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. అండ్ ఓకేనా, రూట్స్ ఫిక్స్ ద ప్లాంట్ టు ద గ్రౌండ్. ఓకే, రూట్స్ ఫిక్స్ ద ప్లాంట్ టు ద గ్రౌండ్. And roots absorb water and nutrients. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and transport to the leaves. Okay, అంటే వాటర్ కావాలి కదా. ఇప్పుడు we are watering the plants, right? Why do we water? Because plants need water. Plant needs water, right? So that's why. So roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and transport it to the leaves to make food. Okay, so water, see, roots are two types. So what are those? One is tap roots. Okay, we'll discuss what are those. Tap root. And second one is fibrous root. Okay, roots are two types. What are that? Tap roots and fibrous roots. Okay, roots are two types, tap root and fibrous roots. And tap root. So what are these tap roots and fibrous roots? So let's discuss about tap roots and fibrous roots. See here, some plants like carrot, radish have one main root. Okay, so do you like to eat carrot? Kilan, do you like to?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir, I like to eat carrot.
Very good. Everyone like to eat carrot, right? So don't you think, see, carrot is the root. Which part of the plant? Carrot is which part of the plant? Root. Okay, carrot is root of the plant. Okay, carrot is a root of the plant. Okay, so some plants like carrot, radish have one main root. So it is like a main root, right? Root. See, if you observe the carrot, straight and strong, right? It is like straight and strong. So plants like carrot and radish have one main root. See, observe here. See, radish is in white color, right? First picture, radish is in like white color, carrot is in orange color, right? So if you observe these roots, these plants root, so it has only one main root, main and strong root, right? It is one main and strong root, right? So these type of roots are called tap root with many small roots. See, it one main root, right? So only one very big root is there, remaining are very small roots, right? Very small branching out, right? So these type of roots are called tap roots. If you observe this both picture, so only one main root, అంటే ఆ మెయిన్ రూట్ ఎట్లా ఉంది, చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది, స్ట్రైట్ గా ఉంది, మిగతావన్నీ కూడా చాలా చిన్నగా ఉన్నాయి, రైట్? If you observe that picture, so in these plants there are one main root, white and orange colored root, right? And remaining are small branches out of it, right? So these type of roots are called tap roots. These type of roots are called tap roots. So what are fibrous roots? Don't you know? Let's discuss about fibrous roots. Okay. See, fibrous roots. Some plants like grass have numerous roots. Some plants like grass. So can if you pluck the grass, can it come out? Can it come out? Does it come out?
Yes, sir.
You pluck the grass, does it come out?
Sir, yes, sir. It will
It's
come.
come.
Sir, yes, sir. Iron also.
Okay. See,
Sir,
when you pluck,
iron.
Karthik, please mute yourself. Yeah. So when you pluck the any grass type of plants, it come very easily, right? Come out very easily. So once if you have near your home, if there is any grass, so try to pluck it and observe the roots and observe the roots. So then if you when you observe that, so it in that type of plant there is no main root. అంటే ఏది కూడా పెద్దగా roots ఉండవు. ఓకేనా? There is no main root. So all roots are roughly in same size. Okay, all roots are roughly in same size. Like so, all roots. So in taproot there is a one big and straight root, right? But in fibrous roots there is no main roots. Okay, there is no main root. All roots are roughly same in size. All roots are roughly same in size and growing from the base of the stem. ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే రూట్స్ స్టెమ్ కి at the end point of the stem it will start. Okay, growing from the base of the stem, base నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా? So in fibrous root there is no main root. There is no main root and remaining all roots are roughly in same size. Roughly in same size. See, if you observe the children, observe the picture carefully. So there is no main root, right? There is no big root tap root. So in fibrous root system there is no main root. So all roots are roughly same in size. Okay, roughly same in size. Okay, so tap roots, when we pluck the tap roots it will come little easily, but fibrous root it is difficulty to pull out. Okay, it is little difficulty to pull out, right? So observe that. See, this is a tap root, right? See, it is a carrot. Okay, so carrot is a tap root or fibrous root?
Taproot.
Because tap root contain one strong and main root, right? One strong and main root. And fibrous root, there is no main root. In fibrous root system, there is no main root, right? And it do not contain very strong and straight root. So the fibrous root system contain roughly same size of roots. Roughly same size of roots. Okay, this is a tap root. Okay, because it contains straight and strong root. Okay, so let's learn about what are the functions of root. What are the main functions of roots? So it is a tree. Children, observe the tree. Roots fix the plant firmly to the ground. అంటే గ్రౌండ్ ని పట్టుకొని ఉండడానికి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. రూట్స్ ఫిక్స్ ద ప్లాంట్ ఫిర్మ్లీ టు ద గ్రౌండ్. అంటే గ్రౌండ్ ని పట్టుకొని ఉంచడానికి ఈ రూట్స్ అనేటివి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. లేకపోతే రూట్స్ లేకపోతే ఏమైపోతాయి? కొంచెం గాలి రాగానే పడిపోతాయి. అవునా కదా? ప్లాంట్స్ కొంచెం గాలి వచ్చాగానే పడిపోతాయి. ఎందుకు పడిపోతలేవు ప్లాంట్స్ అంటే రూట్స్ గట్టిగా పట్టుకొని ఉంటాయి నేలకి. ఓకేనా? అందుకే, రైట్? సో రూట్స్ ఫిక్స్ ద ప్లాంట్ ఫిర్మ్లీ టు ద గ్రౌండ్ and this prevents the plant from getting uprooted during strong winds and help to hold the soil together. అంటే ఏమంటుంది ఇక్కడ? టు ప్రివెంట్ అంటే రక్షించడం, కాపాడ. దిస్ ప్రివెంట్స్ ద ప్లాంట్ ఫ్రమ్ అప్రూటెడ్ అంటే రూట్స్ బయటకు రాకుండా, ఓకేనా? పడిపోకుండా. అప్రూటెడ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద స్ట్రాంగ్ విండ్స్, ఎక్కువ గాలులు వచ్చినప్పుడు, ఓకేనా? అండ్ హెల్ప్ టు హోల్డ్ ద సాయిల్ టుగెదర్. సో గాలి గట్టిగా వచ్చినా సరే రూట్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి? నేలను పట్టుకొని గట్టిగా ఉంటాయి, అందుకే పడిపోవు. ఓకేనా? ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yeah. Roots fix the plant firmly to the ground, and this prevents the plant from getting uprooted. అంటే బయటకు రాకుండా రూట్స్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. అండ్ డ్యూరింగ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ విండ్స్ అండ్ హెల్ప్ ద హోల్ ద సాయిల్ టుగెదర్. అంటే రూట్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి, సాయిల్ని పట్టుకొని స్ట్రాంగ్గా నేలలో అండ్ రూట్స్ help to absorb the water and nutrients from the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Observe this, children. See, blue color is water, and red color structures are minerals. Okay, na? Important minerals. See, if you observe the picture, so roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay, roots absorb water and mineral from the soil to make food. Okay, these are used by the plants to make food. So why do the plant need water and minerals? Because plants prepare their own food, right? Plants prepare food by their own with the help of photosynthesis process. How many of you know photosynthesis process? How many of you know? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, thank you very much.
Sir,
So,
I know.
Yeah, very good. So,
Sir, I know.
yeah, plants make their food by their own with the process of photosynthesis process. So what are the material does plant need to make photosynthesis process to prepare food? So plant need water and minerals and sunlight. Okay, sunlight and oxygen, sorry, carbon dioxide. Okay, plants need carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and minerals. And leaves contain chlorophyll in it. Okay, leaves contain chlorophyll in it. So with the help of these all materials, plants prepare food by their own, and this process is called photosynthesis process. Okay, first, what are the material does plant need? First one is water and minerals. Okay, water, minerals, and
Carbon dioxide.
very good. Carbon
Carbon dioxide.
di carbon dioxide. Okay,
And sunlight. Water.
water and chlorophyll.
Sunlight.
So with the help of this all materials, plants made food by their own, and this process is called photosynthesis process. Okay, right. See,
Minerals.
okay. See, children, is these roots are tap roots or fibrous roots? Observe the picture.
Carrot is taproot.
Okay, okay.
Yam is carrot.
Okay, see, these are the roots. Are taproot or fibrous roots?
Taproot.
Yes, because it has one main root, right? It has one main root. And some of the plants, okay? Some of the plants store their extra food in roots, okay? Some roots like carrot, yam, and radish store food in them. అంటే కొన్ని ఇప్పుడు ప్లాంట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎక్స్ట్రా ఫుడ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, మనం ఏదైనా బాక్స్లో స్టోర్ చేస్తాం కదా ఇంట్లో. If we have any extra food in our home, we have to store in any other boxes, right? So like same, if plants have extra food, they will store in a different parts. Plants store their food in a different parts. So see here, see roots, like some roots like carrot, yam and radish store them food in them, store food in them. అంటే ఫుడ్ ని స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటాయి, and that food we eat like a vegetables. Carrot is a root, yam is a root, radish is a root. Okay, these roots store food in them. Okay na, food store చేసుకోగలుగుతాయి. Okay na, these roots store food in them. Okay, and they are called storaged roots. So this type of roots are called storage roots because they store food in them. That's why these roots are called storaged food. These type of roots are called storage food. Okay, Right. And see, these are the roots eaten by us. Eaten by us. We have eat different types of roots, right? Like carrot, beetroot, radish. Hmm? So these are the roots we eat. Yam. And roots like yam, topico, and sweet potato are called famine food. Roots like yam, tapico, and sweet potato are called famine food. Famine, why do we call this famine food? అంటే ఇవి వాటర్ లేకున్నా మనకు ఫుడ్ దొరుకుతాయి. ఫెమైన్స్ అంటే ఏంది? కరువు. కరువు అంటే ఏంది? మనకు కొన్ని రోజులు వర్షాలు పడలేవనుకో, వాటర్ ఉంటాయా? తాగడానికి ఉండయి, పంటలు పండించడానికి వాటర్ ఉండయి. సో అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? కరువు వస్తుంది అన్నట్టు. ఫెమైన్స్, ఓకేనా? తినడానికి తినండి. ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ పీపుల్ ఈట్ దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ లైక్ యామ్, sweet potato, and topico. So these type of food is called famine food. This type of food is called famine food. Okay, is it clear?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Observe, children, which tree plant it is. Which tree it is?
Banyan tree. Banyan tree. Banyan
Yeah.
tree. Banyan tree, sir.
Thank you very much. So if you observe banyan tree, it is very, very, very big tree, right? It is very, very big tree. See, roots of the plants like banyan tree grow from its heavy branches to provide support to them. See, if you observe banyan tree, రూట్స్ అనేటివి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వస్తాయి? బ్రాంచెస్ నుండి పైనకి వస్తాయి. ఇట్లా మనం ఉయ్యాలరుగుతాం, అవునా సార్? కాదా? కొన్నిసార్లు.
Yes, sir.
So those are roots. Okay, those are roots. Roots of the plants like banyan tree grow from its heavy branches. ఎక్కడి నుంచి రూట్స్ వస్తాయి? బ్రాంచెస్ నుండి వస్తాయి, పై నుండి, అవునా? సో why it will grow like this? Because to give support to the plant, because banyan tree is a very, very big plant, right? So it needs support, right? So the roots grow from its heavy branches, right? Yeah, Nana? Do you have any doubt? Yeah. So here, if you observe banyan tree, the roots are growing from branches. Branches నుంచి grow అయ్యి కిందికి వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. Why? Because the roots give support to the plant. The roots give support to the plant. So the roots of the plant like banyan tree grow from the heavy branches to provide support to them. ఎందుకంటే ఎందుకు గ్రో అవుతున్నాయి అక్కడ నుండి? సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వడానికి, ఓకేనా? ఎందుకంటే అవి చాలా వెయిట్ ఉంటాయి, అవునా కాదా? బనియన్ ట్రీ బ్రాంచెస్ చూస్తే చాలా దొడ్డుగా ఉండి పెద్దగా ఉంటాయి, అవునా? అవి చాలా వెయిట్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి నాన్న, ఇప్పుడు మనం చైర్ మీద కూర్చున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఏదైనా లెగ్ ఇరిగిపోతే, చైర్ లెగ్ ఇరిగిపోతే ఏమైతుంది? మనం కింద పడిపోతామా? పడిపోమా? అవునా?
పడిపోతాం, సార్.
చైర్ లెగ్స్ ఎలా సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తున్నాయో అలాగే బనియన్ ట్రీకి ఈ రూట్స్ అనేటివి అలా సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తాయి అన్నట్టు, ఓకేనా? దట్స్ వై. సో ద రూట్స్ లైక్ బనియన్ ట్రీ గ్రో ఫ్రమ్ ఇట్స్ హెవీ బ్రాంచెస్. సో టు గివ్ సపోర్ట్ టు ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు అవి చాలా బరువు ఉన్నాయి, ఇవి సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వకపోతే ఏమైపోతాయి? పడిపోతాయి, కిందికి ఇరిగిపోతాయి, అవునా కాదా? సో the roots like banyan tree grow from its heavy branches to provide support to them, and these type of roots are called aerial roots. These type of roots are called aerial roots. అంటే banyan tree కి మొలిచే రూట్స్ ఏమంటారు? ఏరియల్ రూట్స్, ఓకేనా? ద banyan tree has which type of roots? Aerial roots. Roots are called aerial roots. Such roots are called aerial roots. And these type of roots are called aerial roots. So banyan tree has aerial roots. Observe carefully. These are aerial roots. Okay, the roots which grow from its heavy branches, okay, are called aerial roots. Aerial roots. Okay, children, all of you mention in the chat box what are the uses of roots. All of you, please communicate in chat box what are the uses of roots. What are the uses of roots? Okay, I will ask one member. Nitesh,
Sir,
What are the uses of fruits?
banyan trees,
Not only
banyan trees,
okay.
banyan
Next,
trees roots help to the tree to
provide support, right,
provide support.
to them, right? Any other uses? Any other uses of?
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I tell?
Wait, Karthik. Okay. Next, Pravalika. What are the other uses of fruits? Pravalika, unmute yourself. Pravalika. Pravalika, unmute yourself. What are the uses of fruits? What are the uses of fruits? See, we already discussed, right? So that's why focus on the lesson. So
Sir,
roots
we use roots
lead to
to
the ground,
drink
right?
water. Sir,
Right.
plants use to drink water.
Okay, good. So roots fix the ground firmly, right? It prevents ఫ్రమ్ గెటింగ్ అప్రూటెడ్ అంటే చెట్లు పడిపోకుండా కాపాడుతాయి గ్రౌండ్ కత్తుకొని. ఇట్ ఫిక్స్ ద గ్రౌండ్ ఫిమ్లీ, రైట్? ఇట్ ఫిక్స్ ద గ్రౌండ్ ఫిమ్లీ. సో ఇట్ ప్రివెంట్స్ గెటింగ్ అప్రూటెడ్, రైట్? అంటే బయటకి చెట్లు పడిపోకుండా హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. అండ్ రూట్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ వాటర్ అండ్ మినరల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సాయిల్. రూట్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ వాటర్ అండ్ మినరల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సాయిల్ టు మేక్ ఫుడ్. Okay, roots absorb water and minerals from the plants to make food, and roots provide support to them. And some roots like carrot, radish store food in them. Some roots like carrot, radish and yam store food in them. So some of the roots we can eat, the parts of the plant. Some of the roots we can eat like carrot, radish, beetroot, right? These are the uses of roots. Okay. Okay, children. Let's. Okay. See, plants that grow in marshy areas. Marshy areas are nothing but ఎవరికైనా తెలుసా marshy areas అంటే? Marshy
No, sir.
areas.
No,
Okay.
sir.
మీకు తెలుసా బురద అంటే తెలుసా? బురద.
Yes, sir, I know.
బురద అంటే సి నియర్ యువర్ వాటర్ బాడీస్, నియర్ ద వాటర్ బాడీస్. సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ల్యాండ్ ఈజ్ లైక్ ఏ మార్షీ ఏరియా, అంటే మొత్తం బురదగా ఉంటుంది, అవునా కాదా? నియర్ ద వాటర్ బాడీస్ లైక్ సీస్, ఓకే, రివర్స్. నియర్ ద రివర్స్ అండ్ సీస్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ల్యాండ్ ఈజ్ మార్షీ ల్యాండ్, అంటే బురద భయంగా ఉంటుంది, అవునా కాదా? సో see here, the plants that grow in marshy areas are called mangroves. అంటే ఆ బురద నేలల్లో పెరిగే మొక్కలను ఏమంటారు? mangroves. Plants that grow in marshy areas are called mangroves. They have breathing roots which grow above the soil to take in air. So if you observe the picture, there are brown colored structures, right? And those brown color structures are called roots. Those brown color structures are called roots. సో ఏంటి మ్యాంగ్రూవ్స్ అంటే మార్చి ఏరియాలో అంటే బురద నేలల్లో పెరిగే మొక్కలు ఏం చేస్తాయంటే బ్రీతింగ్ రూట్స్ తోటి తీసుకుంటాయి, ఓకేనా? సి అదర్ ప్లాంట్స్ హ్యావ్ టేక్ బ్రీత్ ఫ్రమ్ లీవ్స్, రైట్? స్టొమాటా లీవ్స్ అంటే కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి తీసుకుంటాయి? వేరే ప్లాంట్స్ లీవ్స్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటాయి, అవునా? బట్ ఇన్ మ్యాంగ్రూవ్స్ ప్లాంట్స్ టేక్ బ్రీత్ ఇన్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్. ఓకే, ఆ రూట్స్ కూడా ఎక్కడ పెరుగుతాయి? మోస్ట్లీ రూట్స్ గ్రో అబౌవ్ ద బిలో ద సాయిల్, రైట్? రూట్స్ గ్రో the part of the plant which grow below the soil is called root system. So mostly the roots grow below the soil, but mangrove plants roots grow above the soil to take breathe. To take breathe. అర్థమైందా నాన్న? The
Yes,
plants
sir.
that grow in marshy areas are called mangroves. అంటే ఏవైతే మొక్కలు బురద నేలల్లో పెరుగుతాయో వాటిని ఏమంటారు? మ్యాంగ్రూవ్స్, ఓకేనా? అండ్ దట్ దే హ్యావ్ బ్రీతింగ్ రూట్స్, అంటే ఆ రూట్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి? బ్రీతింగ్ చేస్తాయి. దట్స్ వై దే హ్యావ్ బ్రీతింగ్ రూట్స్ విచ్ గ్రో అబౌవ్ ద సాయిల్ టు టేక్ ద ఎయిర్. అంటే మిగతా ప్లాంట్స్ మొక్కలకి రూట్స్ ఎక్కడ పెరుగుతాయి, భూమి లోపల పెరుగుతాయి. బట్ ఈ మ్యాంగ్రూవ్స్ యొక్క మొక్కల రూట్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయి, నేల పైన పెరుగుతాయి. ఎందుకంటే అవి బ్రీతింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి కదా, రైట్. విచ్ గ్రో అబౌవ్ ద సాయిల్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్, టు గ్రో అబౌవ్ ద సాయిల్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్. సో దీస్ plants are called mangroves and it has breathing roots. These plants are called mangroves. The plants that grow in marshy areas. Marshy areas ante burada nelalu. Okay na? Marshy areas ante burada nelalu. See, mostly the marshy areas near the water bodies like rivers and seas. Okay? And the plants which grow in marshy areas are called mangroves. And they have breathing roots. They have breathing roots. So breathing roots help to breathe in and which grow above the soil. అంటే ఎక్కడ మొలుస్తాయి, above the soil. Okay children, actually let's wind up the session because we are tomorrow we'll discuss about different types of what are